Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, obviously by the thumbnail that you guys seen, I'm not going to be doing a natural look for you guys. I'm going to be doing a more of an SFX style type of video. I haven't done this on my channel since Halloween, but many of you guys did request it on my Instagram poll that I created on my IG stories. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and link my name right here. This video will not be a talk through only because these type of looks take me hours, and when I mean hours, usually I take an average between 4 to 6 hours creating this look, so it's just not going to hold on my memory card, so yeah. And I think it'll be a really long video and you guys wouldn't stick around, so I'm just going to go ahead and transform. My inspiration came from this makeup artist called L Belle MUA. That's what that looks like there, and I haven't seen anyone recreate it, so I just really want to do that. And yeah, so if you're interested in seeing this type of transformation, then just go ahead and stick around.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be holding your breath, trying to ready yourself for whatever I'm gonna do. Will I drag you in bed, trying to fix it with sex, or will I tell you I'm done with you? I know I'm complicated, kinda crazy, but will you stay the night? I know it's hard to trust me, but if you let me, I'll make it alright. Dropping the L's like there's nobody else, but there's somebody on my heart. I'm trying my best to fall in love with myself, never thought it would be this hard. I know it's complicated and frustrating. You wish that I were fine. I know that it's a lot to ask of you to wait for me, but please give me a little more time, 'cause I don't ever mean to take it out on you, and I don't want to hurt you, but I always do. I don't have a clue what's fucking wrong with me, but I'm always turning on the ones that love me, and I don't ever mean to. No, I don't mean to be cruel. Yeah, I got a couple problems. Yeah, I'm trying to work on them. Yeah, I promise I'm working on them. Well, you wait as I'm working on them, 'cause you know I don't ever mean to take it out on you. I don't want to hurt you, but I always do. I don't have a clue what's fucking wrong with me, but I'm always turning on the ones that love me, and I don't ever mean to. No, I don't mean to be cruel. someone ever asks me, I can never say where I'll be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure why in my heart I still feel fire. Anything that has been done to fix it, or why it takes so long, 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 so long. Silent night, deadly night, nothing's calm, nothing's bright.
Okay guys, so I really hope that you guys did enjoy that transformation. If you guys are into these type of videos, special effects, I have like gained most of my following within the last month, so this is probably very new to you. You guys aren't used to seeing this on my channel. If you do want to see more special effects here on my channel, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That also helps my video get out there and be seen by other people, so I really appreciate your guys' love and support. Thank you so much for building a little community here on my channel. I love engaging with you guys, getting to know you guys. In case you missed my latest videos, I'm going to go ahead and put them right over here. And also, if you hit this little circle right here, it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!